Naveen Kaur welcoming you all to my channel That's Chubby Chick, and today I'm gonna share a few Rakhi outfits with you all, as I know that it's lockdown and all this quarantine thing is going on, so nobody could go and shop outside. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. For the first outfit, I paired this black top from Shein with this golden dupatta and golden skirt set, and that's pretty much it. You just have to add some accessories, and you could pair your golden heels or black strappy heels with it, and you're good to go. If you want to make this look a little heavier or a little colorful, you could add a fulkari dupatta too, and keeping everything else same, you're good to go again. For the next outfit, go to your mother's wardrobe and steal a skirt suit set and replace the kurti with this black top or a black blouse or anything, any color matching with it. So yeah, and you're good to go. Just add some accessories, add a watch, and yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. So yeah, moving on to the next outfit that I have. This set which I'm wearing over here is the one that I had carried last year on Rakhi, and it just was amazing to wear this one. I love this piece. It's check print and this orange color. I just love it, guys. इसके साथ ये matching statement earrings and golden heels would do the complete look, and I completely love it, guys. You just have to experiment a little bit with your hair and you're good to go. So yeah, this look, what I did was I just wore all black inside. You could also carry all white or match according to your jacket's color, and yeah, I just carried all black inside, and on top I added this colorful and embroidered sort of jacket, magenta colored jacket, a jacket that came with my mother's suit set, and I carried it over here. Add some statement jewelry again, add a watch, add a ring, and you're good to go. So for my friends who do not like wearing Indian or Indo-Western, you could carry such dresses with V-neck or whatever this neck is called. I don't remember exactly, but this peach one is exactly like very decent and pretty at the same time to be worn on an occasion like Rakhi, and I love it. I don't think that there's any problem in wearing such maxi length dresses on an occasion like Rakhi. So yeah, also dresses like these button down ones are super amazing, guys. You could carry these dresses too. They look equally decent and pretty enough to carry on occasions like Rakhi and all. So yeah, also I would suggest you all to invest in such dresses, because you could carry them on both the occasions. Like you could go to the parties wearing these dresses, and you could also carry them to house gatherings. And now this is a kurti which is C-cut, and I completely love it, guys. I've worn it a number of times, and if you also have some C-cut kurti, you know that it's fully, it has no slit, so you could wear it as it is, as a dress, like I'm carrying it over here with a belt, or else you could go and watch my Mere Sonia video. I'd link it down in the description below. I was wearing a green plazo with it and convert it into a completely Indian look. I'll try to find similar clothes online and link them down below. So yeah, do check out the description box. Now moving on to the next outfit that I have, that is this white gown with a little black embroidery. I just love it. इसकी जो ये ruffle detail दे रखी है, peplum sort of detail दे रखी है कमर पे, इससे your tummy fat also gets hidden, and I just love this dress. I cannot repeat. So yeah, guys, that was pretty much it for the video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. Also comment down below and let me know which look should I carry for Rakhi. We'll meet you soon, guys. Bye bye.